Sometimes I wanna fly, hey, to the clouds. And I just wanna.
Hello crew! So in this video I'm gonna discuss the CV, like how you have to do it. I'm gonna make this video like quite short and to the point, so it's easy for you to see all of it and actually follow these for your CV when you apply for the Emirates CV. So make sure to keep it super simple. Do not like do all these frilly details on it, because you have to remember there's so many applications that they have to go through. You have to make sure that you get their attention as much as you can. So don't ramble about like unnecessary things, and just I wrote everything here. So the most important thing is to keep a professional like business attire photo of yourself in the top right corner. As long as it's on top, it's the most important, so it catches their eye. Make sure to have a photo in your CV and write underneath it. So if you, depends on your format, write your name, your telephone number, and your email address and where you're from. Yeah, so they have the basic information of you. And then under that, like in the main section, write your work experience. Now for this, do not enter every single job or every small thing that you've done in your life. Just put the ones that are relevant to the job and that you've been there the longest, and that you think that this would help you, right, stand out from the other people. So for example, if you worked in hotels, you'd be like, okay, worked in hotels, I worked as a receptionist for a year, for example, or as a summer job. Just list whatever like this. Also very important to add your school education. Don't add every single certificate over here. Also just add your last education, where the school was and from when it started till when it finished. And if it's ongoing, like if you're still an undergraduate, for example, just write, for example, 2018, or like now I guess it's like less, right? But like 2018 till present. And write the details from this university over there. But you don't need to list like every single topic that you're going through with this course of yours. And it's okay like to list maybe two, like if there's like a certificate or like a course you've done extra from university or college that you want to add and you think it's gonna help you, why not just add it on, right? Okay, so the next section is languages. For languages, just write the language, your mother tongue, and any other language and the proficiency you are in for that language. So if you're fluent, advanced, intermediate, and yeah, that is all. Like just keep it simple as possible. And then if you really want to add skills and anything else, put them below all of this information, because this is the most important that they will be looking at. And yeah, just keep it simple. For me, I think mine was 2 pages, or maybe just even 1 page. If you manage to fit all of this into 1 page, that is absolutely perfect. If it's 2 pages, it's fine, but try not to go over that, because you have to remember, like if they're going through everything, if it's like back and front, for example, just that 1 page, it's perfect, because they just assess it quickly and oh, okay, she's done hospitality, for example, let me review it more. Or even just seeing the photo, like it attracts the recruiter's eye more to choose you. And yeah, so my utmost recommendation is to keep it simple, neat, and recheck your sentences. Don't make them too long. I see a lot of the bio, like if you write about yourself and it's like a whole paragraph and it's just 1 sentence, make sure you use commas and full stops to give the reader a time to breathe when they're reading that. And yeah, that is my recommendation for the CV to apply for Emirates, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.